Hello watcher and subscribers, here in this tutorial we will learn how you can do proper setting while taking a print in Excel. Because if you see this page, I am having title and the subjects also like physics, chemistry, bio, math, English, and if you see it is taking more than one page. Okay, it is taking more than one page. So what happen when you work in the Excel, then many student and employee they face problem while taking print. In data entry they don't face problem, but if the Excel is taking more than one page they get a problem and they consume lot of time and they don't get the proper result. So here in this tutorial I will guide all the things, all the necessary steps I will tell you. I will not teach from beginning to end, but I will tell you the necessary things that you face while taking a print in Excel. So what happen if I go here in the print option, then you observe in the page 1 I am getting a title, but at the downside there is no signature option, because when you work on official document then in every page we need a signature, that is missing. And in the heading option now there is no student information is coming. Here's the subject also not coming, it came in first page only, but it is missing in second page. So it is happening in every page here. So all this problem we will sort out, and there is a lot more space, okay, in one side. So we will now adjust all the necessary things. So first upon we will play with the title. So here what I will do, I will select the all columns, okay, but before that, before adjusting this title, first you see this page limit is up to here. So I will increase the size of column. First you select all the column, then I can adjust. So in this way you can increase the size of every column. Now if I select the print option here, you see it is taking a sufficient space of the page. So according to you, again you can increase or decrease the column size. Then this is the title. So here I will apply here simply merge and center, and if you want you can make it in bold also, or you can increase the size also, like size is 14. So here I have done setting for the title. Here also I want in bold, little bit font size I would like to increase. So in this way I have done the basic setting, primary setting I have done. Then in my next step I want that student information and the subject in every page. So it's quite easy, page layout option and print title. So here in the print title you see row to repeat at the top. So just click here and select the initial two column. That's it. I have selected first and second column, hit on OK. And now if I select the print option, you see this is my page 1. Now I am going page 2 also, these things are repeated, title is repeating. Then I am going into the home page, home option, and here the next thing I want, that is the footer. So in page layout, margin, custom margin, and here header and footer. So here I will choose custom footer. In the left hand side I want first sign, I am just writing in sample, second sign, then third. And here dear student I want page number also. So in this second option you click, page number it will show. I want in bold, so you select this, I will choose bold, and you can increase the size also, you can keep it 12, then give here bold, OK. Then here also I will choose this, I want in bold formatting with the size 12. Means you can give individual also formatting. So this work is over now. So when we go in a print option, so you can observe here downside we are getting footer, space for the sign, and the page number is also coming. Second page also, now third, fourth, fifth, every page it is coming almost. Now this is the basic setting, and you can set the margin also if you want. Here left hand side is 0.7, right is 0.7, top side suppose I want to keep 0.5, you can keep it OK. Now I am going into the print option again. So in this way you can get the print. So here I have covered almost everything. I told you here how you can give the custom footer, how you can give page number also, how you can adjust the title in every page, and how you can fulfill the page. And here one more option at the end we will check. If you go in the custom margin, there is an important option here, page. Here it is 100%. Suppose the number of columns are more and you want to adjust, then you can reduce the size of percentage also. But right now in this page we don't need it, but sometime it may need. So here I cover all the basic things in this tutorial, and I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.